check this guy's out. This is a Mexican eagle and some type of hawk, and they've been doing this. It's like dogfighting or something in the air. See, oh, boom! Well, they're battling it out. This is, oh, was that a third one about to join in? Have to have a three-way here? Not real sure what they're doing. When I first pulled up, they were really getting after it. Oh, starting to get away from me. Pretty neat. Boom! He got him good that time. I guess maybe playing tag or something. Hell, I don't know. Oh, lost him. Have a good day, my friends.